Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll need a functioning mic and Windows 11 build that includes voice typing. Once that's ready, set your mic as the default input. Open the document or text field where you want to type, then press Win+H to summon the voice typing toolbar. Make sure your mic permission is granted in Settings, and choose the correct language from the toolbar. Once done, position the cursor where text should appear and speak naturally so Windows captures punctuation and pauses. Now refine the experience. Click the Settings gear on the voice toolbar and pick your language and auto-punctuation options. This improves accuracy. Speak clearly and use explicit commands such as comma, period, or new paragraph to control formatting. If accuracy dips, open sound settings to adjust microphone levels and enable noise suppression. Make sure to train yourself to use short pauses and concise commands. This helps recognition and reduces corrections later in your doc. When you finish dictating, stop the session with Win+H or the close button, then review your text carefully for misheard words or punctuation errors and edit manually. If voice typing won't start, make sure the microphone is unmuted and selected, then restart the app. If problems persist, run the Windows Speech Troubleshooter or restart your PC. One key tip: if recognition is poor, move to a quieter location and adjust mic gain, because background noise is the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.